I'm about to share with you an easy side hustle that you can start today that can make you $1,000 a week if you grind. All right, guys, let's jump straight into it. What we're going to be doing is creating YouTube channels for local businesses. All right. Now you might be thinking, whoa, that's crazy, man. Where'd this come from, man? How am I going to do that? Listen, it's not as complicated as you might think it is. In fact, it's pretty straightforward. Believe it or not, a lot of local businesses aren't hip to YouTube. I'm sure they know what YouTube is, right? But they're not using it as a marketing tool, right? And this is a great opportunity for entrepreneurs like me and you to actually take advantage of this and actually build up a nice income. All right, so basically what this consists of is reaching out to local businesses and offering them to build their own YouTube channel that's all about their business. Approaching these businesses, you need to let them know the many benefits of having a YouTube channel for their business. You can start off by letting them know what they should know already, that video is super important. It's very popular. Video is more effective than, graphic ads, than written text, than even little animations and everything. Video is king right now, right? And if you don't have video content, you're missing out. But some other benefits of having a YouTube channel for their business, first of all, is getting more exposure, right? More exposure locally as well as abroad, right? Like, ain't nothing wrong with people knowing about your business all over the world, right? I mean, so you want to really let them know, like, you can get a lot more exposure by having a YouTube channel, and more exposure obviously can mean more customers or more clients. And obviously that's what every business, especially local business, they want more customers and clients, and a YouTube channel can help them do that. Now, even if they're like, oh, we're aware of that, like, obviously, we know video is important, we know it can drive customers and more clients, but what about adding more revenue to your business? You want to let these local businesses know, like, listen, y'all can be making like money on the back end just by having a YouTube channel. Why? Because depending on the business, they will actually be able to promote, if they have their own products or whatever online that they can ship out, or even digital products or whatever, they can promote that on their YouTube channel, as well as if they become an affiliate of any sort of, any sort of product that they're partnered with, they can advertise that on their YouTube channel, right? So even with that, like, they can generate extra revenue for their business and put that money that they get from selling products on their YouTube channel, they can put that money back into their brick and mortar business, right? And another thing you want to highlight to these local businesses is once they meet the proper requirements, they can actually start earning ad revenue from YouTube. You already know about those, right? You're watching the video, the little ads that pop up. The local businesses, they can start earning ad revenue once they hit the proper requirements. So that is just more revenue that they're going to be earning that they're not earning right now because they're not on YouTube. And this is where you can come into play and really help these businesses get more exposure and bring in more money. So what exactly are you going to be doing for these local businesses, right? Now, I'm just giving you a broad idea. Now you can kind of tweak this to your liking, right? You might want to do more than what I tell you to do, or you might want to do less. Ultimately, you just want to create a YouTube channel for these businesses and offer to provide content, right? Whenever you say you get a business, they're like, okay, I'm interested. What do I get, right? You're going to create the YouTube channel, right? You want to create it, with the Gmail account. You want to do everything from scratch for this business, right? So you want to, create the YouTube channel with the username, they got the new handles name now. You want to hopefully use their business name, right, when creating their channel. You want to be able to create their channel art, right? So when they go to your YouTube homepage, you want to have that created for them. You want to be able to optimize their default description. You want to do all the tags for their channel in general, right? And when it comes time to the videos, if you need them, you can either shoot the videos for them, like go to their location, shoot the videos for them, or you can give them an option to say maybe you want to just do like little animated videos or little voiceover videos with like images and stuff. That's something that you can decide, right, how you want to offer it. Keep in mind, guys, I would highly suggest when you offer the videos to these businesses, you want to keep them short, right? Like let them know, like, look, the videos are, 1 to 5 minutes long, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you're trying to do, whatever, right? Let it be known that you don't want to be having to edit 20-minute videos, because that's just going just whatever, right? So you want to be able to create the YouTube channel, do the channel art, do all of the descriptions that go into YouTube and tags and all that good stuff. When it comes to the videos, you want to keep them 1 to 5 minutes long, right? If you're going to shoot the videos, you need to do edits, right? You're going to edit the videos. You're going to upload the videos for your client. You're going to create the thumbnail for the client, and you're going to do the little short description, put the keyword tags in there, and you're going to upload the video for your client, right? So you're basically doing everything for this business, okay? Now, where did the money side of things come in? I would suggest that you start with packages. I would create maybe 3 packages to start with, right? Now, mind you, these is just like an idea, because depending on where you live in the world, in the United States, whatever, different places might charge lower or higher rates. So that's something that you can figure out where you're at and how you want to do it. But here's an idea of what you can offer these businesses, all right? For example, you can start off with a basic package, right? This basic package will include 1 channel setup, right, with everything included, with the channel art, description, tags, and you're going to get 1 video, and that video could be an intro video, right, like an introduction to the business. It could be one of them spotlight interviews I talked about in the previous video. That will be included with the basic package. So you're going to get your YouTube channel with 1 intro video, and you can price that at, say, $197. You get that, right? Then you can have a second package where you'll get, obviously the YouTube channel, and then you get 4 videos, right? 4 videos with the YouTube channel, and you could charge like $497 for that, basically $500. Okay. Now your third package can be like your dope package, your gold package, right? And this could be you get the YouTube channel created plus 12 videos, all right, for $997. So that's $1,000, right? And that makes it like less than $100 a video. I think something like that. Whatever, is it? I don't know. But it's a damn good deal, right, for a local business, because if you do the 12 videos, and just say, for example, the business owner's like, okay, well, what one video come out a month, right? 1 video a month. You're literally looking at a year's worth of content for that local business. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I would recommend, with dealing with clients, I would recommend them to at least post 2 videos a month, like 1 every other week if they can, right? And that package would last them 6 months. 12 videos would last them 6 months of content, of material, right? For $997 or for $1,000, that's a damn good deal, right? So those are the packages that I would start with, and you can play with the numbers depending on whatever. And if you really want and to start growing this out, you can start offering a lot more. You can have bigger packages, right? If you build a team of people and have outsourcing and stuff like that, you can really get crazy with the packages, right? Because I don't see a lot of, especially local business owners, entrepreneurs like us, I don't see people offering this kind of business like this. I do believe it's going to grow more and more, but you talking about from top to bottom, offering local businesses full-blown YouTube channels where they don't have to worry about the thumbnails or descriptions or uploading. That's crazy, right? Nobody doing this right now. Keep in mind, this is work, right? So if you get a client you're gonna have to, shoot the videos and, edit them, whatever. But guys, you can figure all that stuff out. Trust me, it's super, super easy to learn how to make simple edits. You probably already know how to upload videos on YouTube. You probably already know how to make thumbnails. And even if you don't, you can use a program like PicMonkey or Canva that pretty much have YouTube thumbnail templates already there. And all you gotta do is like add the business's name to it, right? So that's pretty much done. It's easy work. Closing out, because I'm just giving you a broad idea of this strategy. What kind of businesses should you go after, right? Honestly, you can go after any business, right? Because any business can benefit from having a YouTube channel. But you definitely want to go after businesses that have some sort of marketing budget, or they're spending money on advertising. And most importantly, you want to deal with businesses that they have a high client value. For example, chiropractors would be great to go after. Why? Because they make decent money. Their clients, they make a lot of money off their clients, off their customers, right? And a chiropractor can create a lot of content, because you want to do videos with these local businesses, like, behind the scenes stuff of their business. You want to do like, tutorials for these local businesses. You want to answer questions. Those are the kind of videos that you want to make for your clients, right? So for example, if you go out and get a chiropractor and they're like, well, okay, I want the 12 video package, but what kind of videos do we put out? So you want to have a meeting with your clients, say, okay, well, what do your customers usually talk about? What's popular in your industry? What are people talking about, right? You can do videos on, how to cure joint pain, or how to do this at home, or what's the best massage pad to use, right? You want to do things like that, those kind of videos, right? So you want to go after businesses, like I said, with high value customers. Chiropractors, plastic surgeons would be crazy, right? Like, that's dope. Realtors will be a great client for you. Med spas will be a great client for you, right? Because they could do tons of tutorials. They can make a lot of back end money on recommending products, and so on and so on. So I would stick with that when it comes to like who to go after, you know what I mean? Because they have money, they're making money, they have high value clients, right? Like I said, it's pretty much straightforward. All you need to do pretty much is just figure out your packages and kind of decide like your workflow, right? Are you going to go film the videos for these people? Are you going to create them at home for yourself, get a voiceover, do all that stuff? But you can work all that out and decide, do you want to charge more for that or less, whatever. But this side hustle can easily turn into a full-time business for you if you want, and you can actually scale the hell out of this business if you're willing to put in that work. All right. One more thing, guys. I don't know how I forgot this, but you might be thinking, oh man, I love this idea, man, this is dope, but how do I actually approach these businesses? Very simple, right? You do local searches for whatever your niche is, whether it be chiropractors or whatever. So you would say chiropractors in city name, right? You find all these places on Google or Instagram, Facebook. All you need to do is just look and see if they have a YouTube channel. Because if they got a YouTube channel, it's going to be on their Instagram, on their website, or you could even actually search YouTube, right? Once you find a business that does not have a YouTube channel, all you do is shoot them an email or a direct message and say, hey, I see you don't have a YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about having one? Or you could always say, do you have a YouTube channel? Question mark, right? Because the business is going to be like, nah, I don't. Why are they asking me that, right? So that's how you can actually start getting clients, simply by asking them, do they have a YouTube channel? It's simple, guys. You just got to put in the work. Hopefully you like this idea, and if you do, you'll take action on it. Now, if you are looking for other ways to make money online, all you need to do is check out the links in the description of this video, because that's how I'm making money, and you can too.